visiting? Are you visiting Grammy's for lunch, huh? Yeah. Hey, Frenchie, where's Versailles? Oh, you're gonna eat the roses. Oh goodness, I hope baby's breath is not toxic. You better do some quick research. What you doing? What you doing, huh? Oh. Oh, look, I've got a little treat for you guys. Oh, do you see the water down there, or what do you see? Look. Ooh. Birdie treat. Those are too big for you. Where are you going? Oh, that teapot's gonna be warm. Okay, so our research said that baby's breath was toxic. Don't know if it's true or not, but we shooed them away from the roses. The roses are fine, just not the baby's breath. Hey guys, are you having fun? Are you trying to get the little herbs, huh? Is that what you're doing? You know, I like the tea. I don't like the herbs. Or are you playing and making a splattery mess? What are you doing? What a cutie pie, River. There you go. What fun. Oh, you got some.